Hey guys, this is part 3 in a series that I've been doing on the CB125 donor bike buildup. The donor bike's the one that I pulled the engine off of to fix the blue CB125. This is the frame, and here's where things stand right now. Let's start from the beginning. So there was a lot of rust on the rims and on the spokes, and I took some phosphoric acid gel, sprayed a bunch of it on a toothbrush, and just coated all the rusty bits. And it worked wonders on the chrome. Really happy with how things are there. I have not changed the brake shoes, but I will be doing that. You can also see how the phosphoric acid cleaned up the tops of the forks. The forks are in pretty good shape around here, so I'm happy about that. But I wouldn't be surprised if I do need to mess around with the forks or fork seals. As you can see here, I did get some very cool 27mm fork ears. This is aluminum, and they fit really nicely. I've got the old bucket over here, but I couldn't find a sealed bulb that I could use, so I'm actually going to be replacing the bucket as well. I've got an old speedometer bracketed on there rather poorly, but it works. And I have the tank on there for now. I've been experimenting with a few things to try to get this dent out. I haven't quite given up yet, but I'll try to make a video of that. I did get the pipe on today, so I had to get this flange from eBay. I didn't have one of those. This was extremely rusty, as you can see in the early CB125 videos, but phosphoric acid completely cleaned up the chrome there. And I also have this uni pod filter on the carb, so I'm looking forward to firing that up soon. That'll be the next video. I put in the electrical harness, pulled a horn out of the parts pile. I think it might be a 12 volt, but I guess we'll find out. I had to modify the bracket back here to fit the pipe. Had to kind of expand the hole with the drill. I have yet to plug in the rear brake sensor here. That'll be coming. I just kind of want to fire it all up before I start doing some of the finer electronic work. That's really about it. So hopefully I'll have a chance to fire this up, work on the tank a little bit more. I've got a seat, signals, and once those things are buttoned down, I guess I'll start working on the tires. But I mean, for the most part, I think it's looking kind of cool. So that's the donor bike project.